hidden in the heart of Vietnam's Mekong Delta.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most fascinating and controversial food industries on Earth. Behind these gates, thousands of snakes arrive daily.
Ayo, tiga sing hati-hati. Nggih, Pak. Siap.
The snake meat industry begins at farms like this one, scattered across Southeast Asia's rural landscapes. Nhanh lên, chúng ta còn phải cho nhiều con nữa ăn.
These farms are often family operations passed down through generations.
Awas licin, pegang yang erat selangnya.
Ya, ini udah selesai kok. Mau bantu yang di sana?
Keep an eye on the scales near the midsection.
Right, I'll make a note. Eyes are clear though.
When pythons reach between 12 and 18 kilograms, typically after 2 years of growth, are considered market ready.
Hôm nay chúng ta cần thu hoạch 50 con hổ mang chúa từ khu vực này. Mọi người cẩn thận nhé.
Rõ thưa sếp. Almost there, nice and slow. We've got the weight supported.
While industrial farms rely on modern equipment and safety protocols, traditional knowledge remains invaluable.
On a typical harvest day, a single large-scale farm can process between 800 and 1,200 snakes.
Specimen designated red tag. Note evidence of scale rot near the vent. Requires immediate veterinary assessment.
What strikes me most is how calm everything is. These handlers have developed an almost symbiotic relationship with these animals.
Kiểm tra lô hàng này xong chưa?
Dạ xong rồi. Không có vấn đề gì ạ.
Tốt. Đóng dấu và niêm phong đi.
These specialized containers maintain proper ventilation and temperature during transport.
Batch 7B, 150 kilograms, move to staging area 3.
Confirmed, moving now.
Before leaving the farm, each shipment is carefully documented and sealed.
Is the temperature monitor activated on this one? Yes, confirmed. All right, moving it out.
The journey from farm to processing facility can range from 50 to 500 kilometers depending on location.
All clear. Safe journey.
Most snake transport occurs during early morning or evening hours when temperatures are naturally cooler. Inside these climate-controlled trucks, temperatures are maintained between 18 and 22 degrees Celsius.
Morning. Let me see the manifest.
Okay, everything checks out. Head over to Bay 4, you're all set.
Straight back, easy, watch your mirrors. All right, and stop right there. Clearance on the left, watch your swing. Roger, setting this down in Bay 4. Did you check the manifest for the next one?
Discrepancy noted on container 3, photographing the tampered seal now. All other seals verified and temperature probes inserted.
Checking the scales now. Looks clean.
Standard grade for this one, marking it now.
This spot here needs more pressure. Got it. Increasing the flow now.
The washing process does more than clean. It also begins to relax the snake's muscles.
Cái này bị nhiễm rồi, không đạt. Con này được rồi, cho vào bể. Nhớ kiểm tra kỹ lại lô hàng kia.
Clear the red channel.
Divert the mediums to blue now.
Green line is backed up.
Species identification is critical for regulatory compliance.
Carts 45 and 46 coming through.
All right, bring them to line 3.
Secure the head firmly before engaging the restraint. We need to maintain the pace, aiming for 40 an hour.
Stunned and ready for bleeding.
Transfer confirmed.
Watch the blade pressure right here. You must keep the grain intact for the luxury market. Ensure the cut is precise right here. We need to maximize the yield on this one.
We have a minor tear here near the center. All right, separate this one. The rest are ready for salting.
Line. What's most impressive to me is the efficiency. Nothing is wasted here. The meat goes to food processing.
This one goes to the whole line.
Confirm. Confirm.
Diverting now.
The meat processing area operates at precisely 4 degrees Celsius, cold enough to prevent bacterial growth while keeping the meat workable.
Snake meat is often described as having a texture between chicken and fish, with a mild, slightly sweet flavor that takes well to various cooking methods.
These gallbladders are ready for labeling.
Ensure the livers are graded correctly before storage.
The density on these vertebrae is quite high. They will yield a superior powder for the calcium supplements.
The traceability system tracks each piece of meat back to the individual snake it came from, and further back to the specific farm.
Pre-marinated products have become the fastest growing segment of the snake meat market.
Quality looks excellent on these. Core temperature is -8°C.
Maintaining the cold chain is absolutely critical. From the moment meat enters the freezing tunnel until it reaches the consumer's kitchen.
We need 3 more with the red skewers for the morning run.
Coming right up, packing them in ice now.
Needs to be exactly 180 grams for the Tokyo order.
Got it. Did you print the QR labels for the chef's tasting menu?
This facility operates 3 shifts around the clock, processing snakes continuously, except for scheduled deep cleaning periods.
Reading 95, we have an alarm on kettle 3.
For ready-to-eat products, cooking is done in traditional broths that infuse the meat with authentic.
Temperature check on rack 3.
Reading at 8 degrees, chef. We are compliant.
Ophiophagus Hana, 500 milliliters.
Noted. Quality check complete.
Snake wine represents one of the highest value products from this facility.
A little more to the left, we want the berries highlighted by the warm light.
Grade A-, immediate preservation. Ensure the label reads, premium, high bile content.
The python leather industry generates nearly as much revenue as the meat trade.
Too many pinholes for an A grade. This one is a strong B.
Minor imperfection noted here at the center, likely a healing scar from the farm. This texture is exquisite otherwise.
Please. These skins will travel to world-renowned tanneries, where they'll undergo specialized finishing processes.
100 grams of the snake bone powder measured.
Confirmed. Proceed to the encapsulation stage for the vitality supplement. Every batch of product undergoes rigorous laboratory testing. Meat products are checked for bacterial contamination and proper pH. Have the mineral levels been confirmed yet?
Yes, they meet the labeled values.
International export certification requires continuous compliance monitoring.
This is where science meets tradition. Every product that leaves this facility must pass through this laboratory.
Just confirming the 742 run.
Yes, signed and ready for release.
Batch release is the final gateway before packaging. Products can spend days in this staging area awaiting test results.
The readings are logged in the system. Everything is within the acceptable range. We can send it to packaging.
Automated sorting systems ensure that products reach the correct shipping lanes without human handling. Every
Palletizing robots have transformed warehouse efficiency.
Control, this is staging. Pallet 106 is secured. Move to loading bay B.
P108, confirm final pallet secured for loading bay 4.
Zooms in. Seal integrity testing catches the invisible failures that could lead to spoilage during the weeks-long journey to distant markets.
The placement here, slightly to the left, balances the design better.
I agree. It emphasizes the traditional pattern on the silk.
We need more foam sleeves over here. We're running low on the blood wine boxes too.
The supplement market represents the fastest growing segment of the snake products industry.
We need 6 more 12 packs for the pharmacy shipment.
Barcodes verified on this batch.
Inserts are ready for the next run.
Restaurant supply represents the highest volume segment of the export business.
Settings confirmed. The logger is active and recording.
International export requires navigating a maze of regulations.
This pallet is complete. Move it to bay 4.
Copy that. Starting on the restaurant orders now.
Check the pressure differential on line 3. We need to maintain positive pressure.
Confirmed, Supervisor. Readings are stable.
Blister packaging provides unit dose convenience while extending product shelf life.
This single package contains meat that was swimming in a farm enclosure just 3 days ago.
The presentation is fantastic. The QR code links directly.
And the nutritional panel clearly highlights the high protein.
Ostings. The final packaging stages prepare products for the global journey ahead. These pallets will soon travel by truck.
We need confirmation on the red tags for lane 4. Over.
Confirmed. Move the domestic freight out of the way first.
Barcode and cold chain verified.
Good. This is the priority shipment. Get it loaded now.
Confirmed, Supervisor. Ready to go.
The cold chain cannot be broken even for the short journey between packaging and storage.
Confirmation on pallet 452. Move it to staging area 3. Workers in cold storage can only remain in the -20-degree environment for limited periods before mandatory warming breaks. Proceed to location 4B. Retrieve 20 units.
Confirmed. 20 units retrieved.
Acknowledged. Next location, 7D.
Is this the final case for the Dallas order?
Yes, scan confirmed.
All right, team, let's get this staged for immediate loading.
Every international shipment requires coordination with customs authorities, freight forwarders, and import agents in destination countries.
Health certificate, site test permit, phytosanitary, invoice confirmed. Okay, ready to stamp.
All right, loading authorized for dock 4. Bring the pallet forward. Let's keep the cold chain moving.
The loading process is carefully choreographed to minimize cold chain disruption.
Get that pallet moving to dock 7, Stat.
Here's the bill of lading, driver.
All right, easy back, easy back. You're clear. Ensure the temperature logs are checked every 4 hours. Any questions on the manifest?
Yes, just confirm the drop-off sequence.
Got it, thank you.
Each departing truck carries products destined for customers in over 30 countries.
Pallet 38 complete. Weight verified, 205 kilograms.
Quality check confirmed. Ready for wrapping.
Each pallet receives exactly 3.2 kilograms of stretch wrap, enough to secure contents for ocean voyages lasting up to 6 weeks.
Pallet confirmed. Verified.
Pallet 41 entering main warehouse. Proceeding to ASRS staging.
This warehouse holds up to $15 million in export-ready inventory at peak capacity.
Diverter gate activated. Lane status updated. Destination Zone 3 confirmed. Quantity 1, SKU 45678.
Confirmed.
Pick confirmed. Proceed to location B6, quantity 2.
Order assembly is the final quality checkpoint before products leave the facility.
Order confirmed. All items scanned and accounted for, including the wine and tenderloin.
Attention all carriers. Dock 42 is now clear for pickup.
Copy that dispatch, bringing the cold chain shipment to door 7.
Align it with the marker on the floor. We need that gap for the airflow.
Looks good. Set it down slowly. Watch the temperature gauge.
Container secured and ready for transport.
Over.
Custom seals are the final link in the chain of custody. These numbered seals are tracked internationally, and any tampering triggers immediate investigation. The journey from factory to port takes approximately 2 hours, but the products inside this container still have weeks of travel ahead.
Crane 4, move Tango Yankee 1 toward berth 3. Container 56 cleared for export. Proceed to berth 7.
Roger. Moving to berth 7.
Fascinating. Container ships have transformed global trade, making it economically viable to ship frozen products across oceans.
Container clear. Landing in Bay 4.
Lock secured.
Power engaged. We are good.
The maritime journey is measured in weeks rather than days.